Good,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, great. And then the
Fine.
others. Oh,
How about you, sir?
yes, I'm very well. And then, is there anyone sick, maybe of your friend? Because only 22 students. The Siana sent me information. If in this class consists of 37, all right? Okay, where are you?
In house, sir.
Where is? Outside of the city?
Yes, sir.
Outside of the city? Or stay on Malang?
Malang.
Okay. Asli Arema?
Oh, I was
Original.
born in Banyuwangi, sir,
Okay.
and lecture in Malang.
So Kota Gandrung, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very good, very good. KKN about Desa Penari, right? Well, we want to discuss together about the material. At the last, Bagus, which one is going on Unit 14? It's all right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unit for today is okay. That you have finished for doing at home, because maybe the last I only receiving the information from Mrs. Yana, and we discussed about which one. It is point B, all right? Okay. Well, so number one, if we can analyze which word do British people use instead of the American English word sound. So if in American using bed, how about in English? Or which one? Is there a crosswords? Maybe the similar of bed. What's that?
Up.
Okay, and then the others maybe. Do you ever knowing about the information between differences between the English and the US, American? Like example, yes. Want to is in English or American?
American might be.
Huh? Want to. Do you ever look maybe about the film Want to, wanna? Is there any gonna, going to? So which one is differences between the English and American? So gonna belong to American, and then going to belong to English. Okay, Dea Ananda, please answer it. Yes, you can turn on your microphone.
What do Americans
Says. Say.
instead
Okay.
of the British English word autumn?
What's that?
Communication.
Good. All right. Communication. Why? It's okay. Your answer is good. It's true. Yes. Communication.
Dari kata say itu tadi.
Okay. Well, autumn. So it is belong to American or English?
English.
English. So in US, in Indonesia. Oh. Okay. Good. All right. Number C. And then I will call you waiting your friend. Here coming newcomers. Okay. Okay, Veronica. Go on point C. If someone cannot see very well.
If someone can see very well, you can say that this person is as.
It's about communication. And then we going to point D. I would like to call Ahmad Dhani.
When did Emperor Hirohito of Japan die?
Mhm.
When
If you analyze, you can look in a Japan die. So it is in the past. Okay.
History.
History.
Yes. History is in the past. Well, good. Okay. So, is there any history in the future? Can or not? Hello? Can, if only planning, creating a history, menciptakan sebuah sejarah, it is okay. Yeah, why not? Good, all right. Go on, point A. And then, okay, we'll call Gagarin.
You see a car with letters RP next to its number plate.
Mhm.
Where's the car from?
Mhm. What's that? To answer it,
Philippines.
Philippines, sir.
okay. And then, it's belong to communication, can or not? Within your friend, LC, Kang.
But Marcelo belum dijawab, sir.
Okay. Marcella, there is no answer by yourself? You see a car with the letters, blah, 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 blah. And then where is the car from? If we are going to point E, so it's belong to the nation. Okay, nation. Then we are going to the next point for Lailatul. Okay, go on Lailatul. You have to be active. Okay, don't be silent. Don't be afraid. So because we are learning together. Okay. When was the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco built? What's that? It belong to history.
Social.
Okay.
Social structure.
What's that? If we are going in who won the World Cup in 1950? Indy. May Karina. Okay, help Karina. Because I call Indy, there is no response. Okay. This I would have to write down a note if you are not be active. Okay, Karina, help Indy to answer it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's that?
Sports and games.
Well, good. All right, sport and game. Which one is sport and game?
World Cup.
World Cup. Good. Okay, let's go on. Lisa, you see the symbols.
You see the symbol.
Okay.
And the answer is art and culture. Culture.
Art and culture. Good. All right.
Symbol MC in sport.
Oh, yes. Because if you look, there are maybe some paint, yeah, some painting. There is abstract, okay, and then about the nature. So belong to be a symbol. And then, which bone is your tibia? What's that? What's the answer?
Human body.
Okay. Okay. Tanzilial. Tanzilial.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yes, you. Please answer it.
J.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
That's the question.
A friend has tried an FTL in a text message. What does it mean? It means communication.
Communication. Good. Okay. And then, Yumi. Go on, Yumi.
What is the brightest star in the galaxy?
There are so many in television, okay? May all of you ever look it. Who's that? Anyone help?
Space.
Space, good. Can? And then the last? Tiara. Go on.
You see
Mhm.
RSVP at the end of an invitation. What does it stand for? I think it's communication.
Communication. May? Art and culture? It is okay or not? Social? Social science? Can or not? Or only communication? For the next, okay, the answer to the question in exercise 1 are the Chambers book of the fact. Read the introduction to the book and think about which section each answer might be in. For example, the answer to question might be in measure of the words, communication, or arts and culture. Okay, then Bagus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may read with loud voice. Go on.
Yes, sir. Chambers Book of Facts, new edition, essential one-stop fact finder. Over
200,000.
200,000 facts and figures.
Fact.
Chambers
Fact.
Fact and figures. Chambers Book of Facts is a goldmine of valuable information for use at home, in the workplace, at school, college, and university. It contains a wealth of facts and figures on a wide range of subjects,
It
as well as
contains. Stop. It contains. Okay, go on.
it contains
Okay, contains.
a wealth of facts and figures on a wide range of subjects, as well as many useful features, including mini biographies and up-to-date sports results. Information is arranged into 14 major sections and is clearly presented with the help of diagrams, tables, lists, and maps. A two-color layout and a helpful index make essential facts easy to find. Includes 14 major sections: space, earth, climate and environment, nation of the world, social structure, history, time, natural history, human body, health and nutrition, communication, science and technology, arts and culture, sports and games, truth and belief.
Okay, thank you. Bagus. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then we can discuss it. So if you ever hear space in Indonesian, what's that space in Indonesian? What is
Luar angkasa.
Okay, so is there any difference between space and Earth?
Yes.
How about us? To be live?
Earth.
Astronaut, okay? If you are astronaut, so you can going to the space, okay? And then climate and environment. How about the climate and environment? Climate means season, yeah. But if you look in Indonesia, there are two seasons: the rainy season and dry season. How about in Europe? There are
There are 4 seasons.
four seasons. What are they?
Summer, autumn,
Okay.
fall, and also winter.
Yes. Is there any snowy in the
Winter.
winter? Good. All right. And then the environment, because you are the student, so your first environment maybe in the campus. If we are stay in primary school, in the classroom, in the school. It's okay. Yes, nation of the world. If ya belong to Indonesian, and then maybe if someone from English or British or England, what is different between the British and England? So you can search by using internet. Maybe if you are known about the America, American. Okay. Malaysia, Malaysian, Singapore, and then the others. Social culture, like what social culture? Because there are two keywords about the, social structure, yes, social structure. It's belong to social class. If, yes, the island beside Bagus house, yes, after Bali Street, we are going to Bali, yeah. There are some social class like Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, and Sudra. Yes, bagus. I forgot it. It's kind of the social structure or social class. And then the history. Every people have history. You have history. I have history. Okay. Like good experiences that you have belong to history. Ya. So, tiap orang pasti punya sejarah. Okay. And then time. Different time. Natural history. And then human body, health, and nutrition. Communication, science, and technology. Science and technology is integrated. Science in technology is not embedded, okay? Because have to be one, science and technology. And then arts and culture. What is different art and culture? So you may take the point, or you can describe it. What is different art and culture? Yes. Who can answer my question?
I think art is like produk dari manusia, sedangkan kalau budaya itu lebih ke apa ya, people in around, jadi
People in
masyarakatnya. Mungkin.
Citizen. So your answer belong to environment, all right?
Yes.
Okay. But if art is a kind of product, yes, art kind of product, handicraft kind of art, okay, and then Borobudur kind of art. It is belong to product. But if habit belong to culture, well, and then sport and games. Yes, in the last discussion, sport and games in World Cup. How about in Indonesian? Indonesian never joined in World Cup, but you can mention maybe another sport and game that ever Indonesian joined. What is that? Tadi dikatakan di sana, sport and game itu contohnya World Cup. Nah, sedangkan Indonesia, kita bangsa, kita orang ini nggak pernah, negaranya belum pernah ikut namanya World Cup. And then we are stay in audience. Kita hanya sebagai penonton aja. Nah, but we have the same event belong to sport and games. What kind of Indonesian have? Apa yang sudah pernah Indonesia miliki? Selain kalau nggak pernah ke World Cup itu apa? Yang nyata, yang apa? Konteksnya seperti apa? Like what? Maybe you can answer it.
Maybe in sports like All England in badminton.
Badminton. Good. Okay. What are they? What another?
I think SEA Games, sir.
SEA Games. All right. It's very popular. Okay. SEA Games. Yes. Good. And then talk and play. Well. And then for point 4. Yes. 4 and then 5. So I will give you the time for discussing in group. It is online. Then I will change you automatically by system, and you will include the groups. How many student? Wait. Jadi akan saya masukkan ini 19 partisipan ya. Nanti Mister aku sampaikan ke Ibu Siana. Kita akan bagi ke dalam 19, bagi berapa kelompok ini? How many person do you want in group? Berapa banyak orang yang kau ingin dalam grup?
Just 4 is okay, sir.
Oh, okay. Well, waiting. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 person or 4 group?
Person.
So 5 group. Yes. All right.
Or
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 5 group. Okay. This assigned automatically by our system, and then you can turn in after that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's discuss for point 3. Okay. Then we are going to the point 3. Okay, who can answer it? Oh, sorry, point 4, yeah? Point 3. Where is? Okay. Look at the heading of the communication section. Check which question is exercise. One you will be able to answer from this section. Okay. So, after you discuss with your friend, what can you find it in point 3? The first is different English and British. Good. And then the next, common
similar.
Common words or similar or synonym. All right. And then, is there any card index?
Yes.
That's okay. Is there any symbol?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. Is there any acronym? Abbreviations?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, good. Go on. Point 4. Read the entries in the communication section and find the answer to as the many questions in exercise 1. Where is? At the first, what's that? Different between. So I think it is same. Different between US and English. What's that? Rainbow, Bill, autumn, fall. Yeah. Fall, right?
Yes.
Good. And then after that?
And then for the seniors.
As
blind as a bat.
As blind as a bat. Good. And then the next. Etc. Right?
Yes, for the symbol.
And then step by step, belong to face to face. Yes. And then replying. Please replying. And then go on the point 5. Have you learned anything else while you have been looking for the answer to the question? Your own answer, what's that? It's possible answer, okay? It's belong to yourself. So I think it is free answer based on your experiences, okay? Ya, jadi itu adalah pengalaman kalian. Ya. From here, is there any question? Bagaimana? Dari sini apakah ada pertanyaan? No? Is there any question? No?
Sir,
Okay.
I want to ask something.
Good. Alright.
Tadi di bacaan, I don't know what kind of section, but there are sentence like college and university. Apakah university sama college itu berbeda, sir? Maksudnya untuk mungkin jenisnya atau apanya gitu, atau hanya difference dari British atau Amerikanya gitu, sir?
So before I answer it, maybe your friend can searching maybe what's that? What kind of that?
Yes, sir.
Maybe your friend can answer it. It belong to college. Oke. Sebenarnya sama-sama sekolah tingginya. Same. Oke. Ya, dari itu sama sekolah tingginya. Kalau di Indonesia there is no. Kalau di Belanda disebut Hogeschool School, ya. Kalau di Belanda disebut Hogeschool. Oke. Ya, itu jadi minggu depan aja mungkin saya tambahkan beberapa poin-poin penting berkaitan dengan ini. Kebetulan I ever learn in Netherlands and Germany, so I will give you some information about my experiences in the next meeting. Jadi mungkin minggu depan ya akan saya berikan banyak berbagi pengalaman. Nanti Mr. Alfon akan berikan kalian supaya lebih termotivasi. Karena ketika saya belajar di Eropa, di Jerman dan Belanda, saya tidak mengeluarkan uang sedikit pun. Jadi ke sana diberangkatkan secara gratis. Enak toh? Ya. Oke. You can follow on my Instagram @alphonsus_glory. This in my Instagram. Jadi itu Instagram saya. Mungkin cukup dari sini. Nanti untuk absensinya, presensinya nanti saya kirim via ketua kelas ya. I will send your presence based on Bagus Adi Dewantoro. Oke? Ya,
Yes.
Dewantoro nanti di. Nah, kamu nanti upload ya, harus upload hasil tugasmu hari ini. Nanti silakan diupload di sana. Di dalam presensi itu ada tugas hari ini yang sudah kamu diskusikan tadi apa. Ya. Oke? Itu aja.
yang forum diskusi itu, Sir, ya?
Di forum diskusi itu online, langsung kamu isi di Spada kalau itu. Yang nanti kamu yang hasil diskusimu tadi itu sudah kamu di foto formatnya bisa. Oke? So thank you very much. We can ending for our meeting. Kita akan hentikan pertemuan kita. Sebenarnya ada 30 menit ke depan. Saya lihat beberapa masih sibuk, ada yang terlambat, ada yang ikut porsin dan seterusnya. Tidak apa-apa lah untuk kali ini, tapi besok saya harapkan lebih aktif lagi. Tapi saya sangat senang kepada kalian semua supaya kita saling berbagi motivasi. Ya, kalau ada sesuatu yang ditanyakan, boleh langsung ditanyakan. Di sana di grup sudah ada nomor WA saya. Oke? Kalau bertanya pengalaman tentang studi dan seterusnya ada di sana. Jadi minggu depan kita diskusikan panjang-panjang, saya bagikan pengalaman-pengalaman yang buat kalian nanti bisa termotivasi. Oke, itu aja. Salam inspiratif. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sehat buat kita semua.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.